Hello everybody. Namaste from RAD at home India. This week, in this short video or podcast, we have a beautiful face on spiral galaxy for you to understand. Here in our typical RAD at home red, green, blue or RGB image we show infrared 22 micron in red channel, optical in green and ultraviolet or UV image in blue. Additionally, in contour, we have added radio band 1400 MHz data from NVSS of Vela telescope in the USA. You can see a spiral galaxy with its arms tightly wound around the center. There are primarily three peaks, bright in NVSS radio as well as in WISE-22 infrared, where the radio might be from the cosmic ray particles created in the supernova remnant present in those dusty spiral arms. Those particles moving at relativistic speed, gyrating around the magnetic field lines of the galaxy, emit synchrotron radiation. Additionally, the radio emission could also be from the ionized gas in those star-forming regions. This is through a process called free radiation. WISE-22 image coincide with peaks of NVSS contour showing radio emission suggest both star formation and supernova remnants occur in the same regions of the arm. In WISE-22, the central region is dark and we see three bright sources in the edge of spiral arm. So, the central region is not emitting much in IR, while the three bright sources in the arms are. The clumps in the arms look bright red because of secondary emission from the dust that is UV light absorbed by dust and re-emitted in IR. In addition to these micron-sized silica dusts, 22 micron IR also comes from polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAH. There are UV emission from arms suggesting young O and B-type hot massive star formation. UV light from these stars gets absorbed by dust and re-emitted in IR, so these regions coincide. The central part is optically bright, less in UV and IR, suggesting predominance of sun-like old stars, whose surface temperature is lower than that of O and B-type UV bright stars. UV emission is seen across the arms in blue showing the presence of young stars. The NVSS radio emission must be from the meta-forming regions. The radio-optical radio or ROR-RGB images suggest a small amount of radio emission from spiral arms. This is clearly detected in NVSS, or 1400 MHz with the Vela that is the left-hand side image, but radio emission is undetected with the GMRT at 150 MHz. This is why you do not see any radio contours on the right-hand side image. It must be radiating at 150 MHz as well, but GMRT in India did not look at the galaxy long enough to detect it. Thanks to the following astronomers, or trained citizen scientists, for the image and discussion text contribution. Ninisha Manaswini and Amlana Jyoti Biswala from Bhubaneswar, Odisha, S. Ruthi KS from Thodupuja, Kerala, and Paritosh Singh from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Overall guidance by Dr. Ananda Hota, Director and Principal Investigator of the RAD at Home Astronomical Laboratory. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications about our future educational videos. Visit our website for more details radathomeindia.org. See you next week in next video on another episode of our #Daily Galaxy RGBC. Thank you.